Hey, it's Michael Dillon. This right here is some grease. Master Pro Moly grease. What we're gonna do, we got this here fifth wheel plate, nice and shiny truck. So I dug all the grease out of all the journals in this fifth wheel plate. It was rock solid. So I'm gonna teach you how to grease your fifth wheel plate. In case you were the guy that drove this truck the last time. Take a glove and you put it on your little paw. Set this down and put this glove on my paw. So you go like this, you put it on your paw. Then take this little can here. This is not fruit cocktail. This stuff is very messy. Set that somewhere good, like right on the tire. Then you stick your hand in here, get a nice blob of the grease on. See that little metal spot right there? You just go on it and you just very nicely coat the fifth wheel plate, because that's metal to metal, and when you're towing your trailer, you don't want to have that metal to metal. So you can take another scoop. Should have probably used a clean hand, but I didn't. Basically, this is a one-time can for fifth wheel plates. Just make it really nice, kind of like an art project. You know, when I was in school and they would have us do finger painting, I thought it was really stupid because it looked terrible and they were proud of it. But I thought, what in the world would I do this for? I wasn't proud of my finger painting. Well, now I know it was prepping me to be a truck driver. So, you know, nobody ever taught me this. They said grease your fifth wheel plate. So I thought I'd make this video to show you what greasing a fifth wheel plate does. Now, when you go and get your truck serviced, they do this. And if you were driving over the road all the time, you'd probably get your truck serviced. But I don't drive but 200 miles in a month, if that. So the grease dries out. We don't really get that many services. So took a little knife and a little spoon and a couple little coffee cups, and I just dug all these journals out. I guess that's what they're called, journals. And because the grease on this plate will end up going back in these journals. So that's what you do. Now it'll be nice and lubricated. I think it's important too, you get up in here and you grease this in here so you don't wear your kingpin out. Right up in there, just make it nice and greasy so that when it goes in there, it has a little bit of lubrication. I think that's about it. Thank you very much. It's Michael Dillon. Please like, subscribe. We're pushing for 2,800. We got 2,800. We're pushing for 2,000 subscribers. No, we got 1,800. So appreciate a like and a subscribe. Thumbs up with the greasy hand.